Hello everyone, welcome to Bonafide Acoustics. This would be my first video on this channel, and today we will be unboxing Hiby R6 Pro. Uh, Straight to the package. A simple cardboard box. Dimensions, model, net weight. The net weight is of the player itself, not the whole box. Make music more musical. And enter the dragon. The reason why they are using some catchy phrases or make music more musical is that the player is not does not exhibit a neutral or balanced nature. I do have initial impressions of the player. It comes with this what can we say cover, and it does come with pre-installed protector, as you can see. Front and back, both sides. Let's put the player. Four more boxes. This is the RCA to 3.5. The player supports 4.4 millimeter balanced, unlike 2.5, which I have seen. They are copying Sony, or they are making their own way in that regard. The cable is braided. Another box. This might be the USB cable. Yes, it is the USB cable. It has the same braid, but the textures are quite different. This is somewhat some substantial, and it is little soft. Might be the company's. This would be the paperwork. Yes, warranty card, SIM ejector tool, and paperwork. Some more protector, I guess. Yes, this is a silicone protector. I don't know what it is called. And this is a glass or plastic one. I guess this is the plastic one and this is the glass protector. Comes with a lot of protectors for future proofing, and that's a good thing because you cannot be able to find protectors in your local shops. You have to contact AliExpress or the sellers who are selling the protectors. Simple pouch. Still getting some fingerprints and smudges. Okay, we have high res stickers also, and they somewhat tore it, not even sliced it, cut it. Well, here's the player. Hope you guys could see that the next track button is somewhat subdued or below, not symmetrical. USB Type C. This is the SIM slot. Oh, this is the micro SD slot, which requires the SIM ejector tool, as I was saying. Plus minus for volume. 4.4 balanced out to 3.5 out, and this is the coaxial line out. It can be switched to SPDIF. Now some initial impressions. In my opinion, the player is somewhat having a sparkle and treble. Not very much, I would say. It has a very low amount of sparkle in treble region, but it does have an extra strength, or having it does have a bit of emphasis in the sub bass region, and it's not bloated or anything. It shows it has control in sub bass. It shows that it has a very good control in sub bass. Comparisons and everything else would come later on. These are my initial impressions. The sound stage is also, I didn't find it to be very expensive or natural. It is somewhat intimate or small in size compared to. I mean, this is only a size comparison. I'm not comparing it sound wise or anything. This is the size comparison as compared to Q5 or Q5. This is my own personal unit. It is quite heavy, and it's the aluminum version, not the stainless steel. I wonder how much heavy the stainless steel version would be, because this already is too heavy for my taste. I usually prefer lightweight DAB or DAX. And compared to a mobile phone, this would be not a fair comparison. This is Samsung S8 Galaxy. You can see that the thickness is extremely prominent. Well, nonetheless, a review will be coming soon on my channel. Please do subscribe and follow me on that. Thank you for listening.